to the top. Just before we done unlock this place, we earned it. Doing the most, we burning. Careless whisper, we going through. Player, we trapping out. Bro with the pound, smell out the house. Whole like wasabi, burning your mouth. Babe so wet, hell yeah, we surfing, my guys. My slimes we purging, on lurking, on scheming. Every season, you know the reason. Gotta go, we up next level. Bros in the trap, might do some devil. Move so different, not for darlings. Perfect timing to gain these diamonds. You know, we whipping, feeling the vibe. I know they liked it. Growing these bands, this too, they're trying, dreaming. Empire rise it. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield.
Had to get my money up and leave them all behind. She said you don't love me, boy, you only love your grind. If you keep on digging, don't be scared of what you find. Life wasn't always this good cause it took some time. If I keep on grinding this way, I'll see trillions. Got some little niggas with me, they my minions. You can call me Holy Phil cause I'm the real deal. Listen to the music, then you'll find out how I feel. I was sitting in the bando bagging up the cane. Looking at my life, I can't believe the flipping change. The prophet told me life ain't never gonna be the same. But there ain't nothing in the world that's gonna ease my pain.
We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. Been a minute, took an hour, but we back. Took that loss, we on the track. They don't know where we at, but we know where we stand. Only sipping on some yak or rave raw. All the nights we on the way for. It ain't over, just a start. We go hard, we can't do half. On the way to the top, just before we done unlock this place, we earned it. Doing the most, we burning. Careless whisper, we going through. Player, we trapping out. Bro with the pound, smell out the house. Whole like wasabi, burning your mouth. Babe so wet, hell yeah, we surfing, my guys. My slimes we purging, on lurking, on scheming. Every season, you know the reason. Gotta go, we up next level. Bros in the trap, might do some devil. Move so different, not for darlings. Perfect timing to gain these diamonds. You know, we whipping, feeling the vibe. I know they liked it. Growing these bands, this too, they're trying, dreaming. Empire rise it. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing. Take the loot we staying in, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
We some players in the trap ain't playing, going up amazing. Take the loot we standing, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players in the trap ain't playing, going up amazing. Take the loot we standing, or saving thrill, feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield.
Had to get my money up and leave them all behind.
What is going on? So let's see.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion, passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way.
So yeah, again, like just consolidating. You can see that
Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing
we're
so
just
I
stuck.
make it, all I need is perfect.
Literally just stuck
Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds.
in this range. I'm waiting for the breakout, guys. I'm waiting for the breakout. But yeah, the consolidation continues.
Doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying. Grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars. They won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Cracks the riches with the squad. Congratulations, do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, mute the noise. Always gotta find a way to get some more. We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into plans.
Guys, just to let you know, I'm on TikTok right now, on live, and yeah. Anyways, I just got in from the gym, so yeah. As you know, I'm gonna get ready quickly, get undressed, and then we will crack on.
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
Yeah, let's start this one. Yes, let's go, guys. So the 1 hour's like this. What do you guys think? Should we buy? Maybe. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Thank you for the likes. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you like. If you guys are trading gold, let me know. Let me know what you guys are. If you guys are active in the markets. Let's see. Okay.
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect.
So fortunately, I'm not working tomorrow, so that means I'm gonna be live in the New York session as well. Active, very active. You know, hopefully I'll be able to complete this this challenge account and move on to phase 2. If you haven't been watching the series, then make sure to check out my TikTok or Instagram, and you'll be able to see the challenge. You'll be able to see the challenge live. I mean, not live. You'll be able to see the challenge. You know. So far, the account. Oh, actually, I can actually show you. You know, that's fine. One sec.
Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, badly showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it.
Alright guys, so
perfect time.
I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the challenge live, yeah. So look, so basically right now is 3:07, yeah. Wait, just in case. Let's see. So the account right now is currently sitting at 207. Oh yes. 207k, yeah. Okay, now, guys, I have not traded since when is that? The 5th of February. So yeah, still waiting. And no offense guys, but if you have not continued to manage risk during this time of consolidation, yeah, it's peak, you know. But unfortunately, I have advice for you. It's very simple, right? Wait for the breakout. It's as simple as that. And what am I doing? I'm currently waiting for the breakout. You know. Oh yeah, by the way, I just set up a Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, and yeah, here's the Discord. RoadToTP. But yeah, anyways, I need to get ready. So what I said, yeah, I need to undress. So yeah. One sec. Let me see how the YouTube live is. Let me see what the chat's saying on YouTube.
Find a way to get some more. We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning.
Ooh, good.
Action men, we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop
Those
for
buys,
tea, what I'm on is not lost.
no, unfortunately not, man. Not in the buys yet. But look, I'm waiting patiently. You know. But the buys make sense though, I'm not gonna lie, the buys make sense. Oh yeah, the buys definitely make sense. Perfect timing, flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting. The only thing is though, for me, I'm just concerned about the consolidation. This is why I don't like the consolidation that we're in. I'm waiting for something special to happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. But yeah. Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Because you know, for me, what I don't like this. I didn't like this when I was looking at the 1 hour. I didn't like this, you know. So yeah, I'm playing the long game with this one. And you have to think the 4 hours as well. The 4 hours like this is deep. It's not good. So yeah, I would say just wait patiently. The setup will come. There's no need to rush.
There's no need to rush. So the current candle that we need to wait to close, the 15-minute. So we'll see how the 15-minute candle closes, and then we shall go from there. But yeah, if anyone's in any positions, let me know.
So embarrassed with these setbacks, mute the noise. Always gotta find a way to get some more. We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men, we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost.
Yeah, I got Snowflake, I got Telegram. I'll show you the Telegram now. 1 sec.
Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect time.
I don't know if I can put the Telegram in the live. But I'll see if I can show you now.
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
And get to my account. I can't even do that, man. It's bad. Let's see. Oh, do you know what I can do actually? I'll put it in my I'll put it in my story, and then yeah, you guys hit the follow, join the Telegram.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loop. D&D we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds.
To be fair, it's very simple. Look, here we go. The Telegram is here. RoadToTP.
Congratulations. Do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, mute the noise. Always gotta find a way.
So ideally, this is a very good question, Big Lou. So the situation is a bit peak, yeah. So ideally, I want to see the break either here. Hey, wait, look, is that 3 month? Are you serious about the 3 month chart? But yeah, look, so either from here, the break we have to get a candle closure above here, or I want to see a candle closure basically above here. So like we need to break above here. So please ignore my bad handwriting, but the candle ideally it's gotta be like this. Or yo, it's gotta it's gotta be like that. You get me? But yeah, it's we'll see. The consolidation again is peak, you know, because the thing is, for example,
But look, let me explain to you something, yeah, that is gonna be very. So that's just the buys, just to let you know, yeah, that's the buys just for a price to come up, yeah. Like I'm expecting price to go to like towards 5,200, yeah. That's one buys, right? Now, the next thing is that you want to make sure, right, that when you see with the daily, yeah, daily is very important, right? And I tell you why the daily is important. So if you can see here, yeah, you can see that we've been stuck in this range, you know. And look, I'm sorry if I haven't been pointing the camera properly, but the range is kind of like this. So you've got like a resistance here, we've got a support here, yeah. Now, ideally, this is how I'm looking at it. Look, this is Monday's candle, Tuesday candle, Wednesday candle, yeah. Now we're on Thursday's candle. Wednesday has shown us two things, yeah. The first reality is that, okay, we don't want to come down, right? But we're uncertain about if we want to push up. That means, to me, from my experience of trading gold, yeah, we're going to, what could happen is that we're gonna come out. Yeah, we're gonna come out. Everybody's gonna think, oh yeah, okay, we need to buy, right? But think about it. The daily doesn't know if we want to stay up. Why do you think that when price came to 119, right, 5,119, why do you think it didn't try to stay above and push above? Because the daily, look at the Tuesday's daily, we didn't know if we wanted to go up or to come down, right? So you have to think now, okay, now I need to look for an area where I need to short. But again, this is later on, yeah, because right now to short here, it's like, you know, the question I'll be asking you is, are you really trying to blow your account? Do you really you don't want to make money? You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, I hope that answers your point. So basically, regarding this situation, I would say the best thing to do is, look, for now it's okay to look for buys. Why? Because naturally gold, it goes up, yeah. So ideally we can be looking for buys. That's totally okay, you know. I think that a great area to hold buys until would be like, would be around maybe like 180, 200, blah blah blah, you know. But then regarding the, one second, sorry. So regarding the sells, yeah, you wanna wait for price to push up a bit, you know. Like, yeah, you wanna wait for price. You don't wanna short here, especially in the consolidation. Like, trust me, shorting during consolidation, it's a headache. You know, it's just, you're just gonna cook your account for no reason, you know. So it's better just to wait. So yeah, back to the 1 hour. So I need to get rid of that gas, man. Okay. I need to get rid of this box. So yeah, I think now the 15-minute candle close, and look, you see, this is the thing. This position would have been okay if you wanted it, for scalping. Like, I always say to people that, like, man, scalping, once I figured out trading, yeah, like, scalping is too easy. It's too easy. But the problem with scalping is that you're kind of risking more in a way, and you're more exposed to the markets, which is not a good thing, because the key to succeeding in trading is actually capital preservation, right? So the less times you're in the market, the more you win, if that makes sense. Yeah. Anyways, there were some questions I hope I can answer. So Snowflake, you asked if I was a swing trader, and I'm not a swing trader, because I think swing trading is like holding the position for like weeks and months. And you know, with gold, I mean, yeah, you can probably hold longs for like months, but regarding like shorts and stuff, it depends. But yeah, usually I'm just, I guess you could say, I'm usually aiming for like a risk reward of like 1 to 8, 1 to 9. With these current market conditions, like my risk reward's gone up. It's gone up, yeah. So my risk reward now, I'm usually aiming for like at least a nice clean 1 to 14, 1 to 16, you know. But again, it all depends on the market conditions, you know. I think if you're serious about trading, like one very important book to read is Trading in the Zone. The book teaches you about like how you can't really predict the markets, and pardon me, excuse me. That's why I'll answer that question about how long I've been trading for. Another good question. That's why now I'm trying to build this game plan where I'm able to trade both sides of the market, right? Which sounds impossible, no? But I think it is possible, because again, if you follow the time frames like properly, like, and you're in sync with the time frames, and you're flowing with the markets, and you're able to identify, okay, this candle doesn't look like it's going to continue its momentum to push up, right? Then you say, okay, that means now I have to close the position, and potentially I can risk less, and I can try to shoot the other side. And it sounds silly, but it's like playing tennis, you know. Anyways, yeah, so how long you been trading for? Man, I've been trading since 2023. I've been trading gold since 2023 February, but I started trading, like, I knew about the trading scene, right? I set up my account with Capital. That's a UK company. I started that in sometime in 2022, around probably like September or October. Yeah, but the first pair that I was properly trading was the British pound against USD, and I was like, man, I need to find another pair that's gonna make me rich, you know. Yeah, that happened, and then now we're here, you know. Now we're here, man. Okay, you learn yourself or someone teach you. So I'm gonna say someone. Well, I can't say someone taught me. Like, I've been watching videos on YouTube, like so many videos on YouTube, and then the rest is just market experience, man. It's like, yo, I'm not gonna say I'm like, you know, if you played Call of Duty, I'm not gonna say that I'm prestige 10, but I'm like, I would definitely say I'm probably like prestige 4 or prestige 5. Who would I recommend? Oh my god, bro. Okay, so why I find your question very funny, it's a good question, but why I find it so funny is because the people that I watched to learn how to trade, and that with the knowledge that I have now, like, yo, I wouldn't watch these guys' videos at all. Like, no, the questions you're asking is good, but yeah, like the people who I watched on YouTube, like, to learn how to trade, like, I wouldn't watch them at all, you know, because the things that I learned now and the things that I know about trading now, it's like they kind of tell you this, but it's like they show you in the wrong way. Does that make sense? And so, to answer your question, if you said to say, who would you recommend to watch? Okay, there's 2 people that I would recommend for you to. No. 3 people. I'll give you 3 people who I recommend for you to watch. 1 second. Oh no, actually, you know what? I'm gonna recommend for you to watch even the people that I used to watch, yeah, and I'm gonna give you reasons why. So look, for technical analysis, you watch the trading channel, yeah, for technical analysis. But the key to watching this guy, you have to make sure that you listen to what they say, right? What I learned is the reason why they don't succeed in trading is because you don't listen to what the people are saying. I need to charge my phone. And what happens if you don't listen to what they're saying? You blame them, or you go down the rabbit hole. So that's the first thing I will do. The second thing, the second person. But I'm not even following the second person. Okay, you're gonna laugh at me, but this guy. Can you see? I think you can't see it. But okay, here we go. FX Alex G, and I'm gonna tell you why. Yeah. The reason why is because at least you don't have to listen to what he's saying about trading, right? But it's like the narrative that he gives, it's like it gives you hope, right? And that's all you need to keep you going. By the way, if you're watching the price action, you can see what I was talking about with the buys. Like, it would have been a nice try, but it wasn't convincing enough. And you can see that the reality of the 15-minute candle that closed, there was no way that the position was gonna. It wasn't convincing enough. Remember the 4-hour was bearish, right? And look at the body. The body defeats this one. You would have needed a retest around this area to be able to continue pushing that. That's what it would have been better for you to take buys around here, So yeah, anyways, yeah, I would say to follow him, Alex G, and then yeah, I mean, the next person I would say to follow is myself. Like I'm definitely pushing. I'm definitely trying to push the narrative about the realities of trading to the community. I think it's gonna be hard work, but we'll get there. Like I like trading a lot. I got into portfolio management before I got into trading. So, I like the finance industry. So, yeah. I hope that answers your question, Snowflake. I'm so sorry if I went around waffling and stuff. But yeah.
Mentally be sticky, broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken, showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix.
Yeah, it's mad. Yes, I have a YouTube account, man. The YouTube account is just to
playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life, changing so I make it. All I need is perfect.
RoadToTP.
Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette.
This is the first time I've been at home and I haven't even gotten ready yet.
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying.
Yeah, make sure to watch the videos. Let me know what you think. You do live trades too. Yeah, of course. And I just signed up with my new broker now. Man, this new broker is crazy. I got the leverage 1,000. I got 1,000 leverage right now. That's what I'm trading with. 1,000 leverage, guys. They don't know that I'm gonna rob the markets, but it's okay. It's totally okay. Okay, good. The phone is charging now. So I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna be going live tomorrow as well in the New York session. By the way, yeah, we printing then. Yeah, come on. By the way, Snowflake, where are you from? Bedfordshire, wow. That's it, active. Shouts out Bedfordshire. Yeah, man. Okay, so the 30-minute candle just closed. Let's see how the 30-minute candle did. Yeah, so look at this. So you can see even we've got just uncertainty. Yeah, look. Can you see how we tried to break from both sides? So when it's like this, I trade the. It's gonna sound silly. I trade all the time. I trade all the times. So I'm watching the markets in the London session, the New York session, and the Asian session. Right. I keep my eye on the ball. I'm locked in, as they would say. You have to be locked in, man. Like the opportunities in the markets is endless, but even like the setups that I look for, like it's not at a fixed time. It's kind of like it depends. It just depends on what the price action is doing. You know, sometimes it could be in the London session where my setup is taking place. Sometimes it can be in the Asian session when my setup is taking place. Sometimes it can be in the New York session when my setup is taking place. So it all depends. How about you? Do you have like a preference? Or when you know, married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Okay. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Let's go, guys. Let's see. Turning dreams into planning. Action men, we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace and the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect time. Respect, brother, I like to take some time. Oh crap, I didn't even see this, sorry man. Respect, brother, I like to take some time off chats off the charts after the first couple hours. Respect the grind. Yeah, come on man. I mean, sometimes we do need a break. Like, it's not easy, but yeah, you just have to keep on going, man. You know, like, yeah, I don't know. It's, if you need a break, you need a break. Yeah, but remember, I'm not good with motivational speeches. I'm sorry. Oh my god. But yeah, look, don't take too much of a chill time, but take a chill time. You know. I hope that helps. I hope that helps. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. Okay, let's see. So that's done. D&D, we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero,
So yeah,
doing
no,
what I'm saying, attracting
man, it's so bad, bro. The price action is just terrible, man. Like,
come with scars, they won't tell you that
imagine
it's hard.
consolidating
Facing
time.
soft, tracks the riches with the squad.
But there was a week where it was like this before. I think it was like
So embarrassed with these setbacks,
it was in July.
always gotta find
July, the consolidation was so bad.
to get some more.
But it's them ones where you just have to accept it.
Married to the
You know, the market consolidates. What can you do?
from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions 'cause we dreaming, turning
What can you do?
to planning. Action men reactive, run it up, then we vanish.
You just have
Thinking about the
to
hills every time I wake
let it
up.
be.
I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
So right now I'm just organizing my drawer. Okay. You think it's worth putting some stop orders in? I mean, okay, so I'm gonna ask you some questions, yeah, and then let's figure out what your analysis is, or maybe even actually, do you have Discord? If you have Discord, then we can discuss this on Discord. Do you have Discord? I'm gonna show you my Discord again, and then feel free to join the server. Let's see. 1 second.
Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so
No, no Discord. Oh, okay. Cause can you download Discord? If you can download Discord, then man, I'd be happy to get you in there, and then we can talk about it properly, you know, in depth. But I was gonna say, so when you're looking at the price action of gold right now, what do you want to do? That's the question. Do you think that price is gonna go up? Do you think price is gonna go down? What do you think? And why? Yeah, I forgot to mention why.
We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions 'cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustling with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect.
Yeah, which time frame are you currently looking at right now? Like before taking out all-time high. Bro, wait, be careful with what you say, man. Like, it could happen, but bro, to get to all-time highs, G, like, we're gonna need something, you know, like, yeah, I mean, it could definitely continue. Like, it definitely has clean range to push up on the daily, of course. However, You know, I think the trick is to. It's soon. It's too soon. I think it's too soon. But maybe, you know, possibly in a year's time. I think in less than a year, maybe we can probably push the all-time highs. But it's just, I mean, in terms of like analysis for today, for this week, let's say, and what do you call it? This week and next week, I mean, to get over there, it's like, you know, already we can see that we're not gonna. It's difficult to see if we can push down. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens.
Congratulations. Do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks with the noise. Always gotta find a way.
Okay, I need to
Find a way to get some more. We want some more. Married to the game, more racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, badly showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up.
Yeah, so again, like I mentioned about the daily. So with the daily, look. Yes, it's not bearish, bro. Like it closed bullish, right? But look at how it closed. It didn't break above. It didn't even break above this range, yeah, this 11.70 range, right? So it's questionable for it to be very bullish, and it's questionable for it to be bearish, right? So that means it's not simple, but it's kind of a thing where it's like, okay, you wanna make sure that you're getting in positions as far out as possible, right? So what that means is the third, like, I would say from anywhere here, buys would be plausible, yeah? And then for sells, anywhere above would be plausible again. And then you just have to wait for like candle patterns to form, you know, for you to be able to get that confirmation. Okay, we want to go this way, you know. So yeah, daily chart on 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so the 15-minute time frame is gonna close. It's gonna close soon. So you see like this again. Just gotta wait. The 15-minute candle is gonna close soon. Patience. Patience is what pays. Okay, so for the guys on YouTube, now is the moment where I have to turn off the camera because I'm gonna start changing.
Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
Okay, so the 15-minute Still consolidating. Look at this.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion, passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loot. D&D we cooking R&B.
So guys, the key to trading. If you want to know what the key to trading is, drop some likes. Drop some likes, and I'll give you the key to trading. This is the key that no one will ever tell you, right? So yes, let's get some likes. I'll drop the key. I'll drop the gem. I'll drop the gem. If you want the gem, I will drop the gem on how you succeed in trading. Okay. That's it, Snowflake. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Snowflake. Shout out Bedfordshire again. So, right, let's see. So, I am going to tell you what the secret is. The secret to succeeding in trading is very simple. It is patience. Patience is what will help you succeed in trading, right? It's not what you want to hear, I know. You're not the only one that wakes up and thinks, where's my Ferrari, right? As you know, no risk, no Ferrari. But you have to go through the hardship first, you know? You have to go through those nights where you might not be able to find a trade, right? You have to accept that, you know? You have to go through those nights where it's like, okay, I was up 10k, next thing you know, I'm down to break even. You have to accept it, you know? The minute you ignore the money, you forget the money, and you just trade the markets for what it really is, man, the opportunities is endless, you know. There'll be a day you wake up and it's like, oh my god, I'm going to get the Ferrari now, you know. That's the risk that you gotta take. You gotta accept the risk that you gotta take is that, okay, I don't know if these next few trades I'm gonna take is gonna play out to my favor, but I'm gonna take them anyways because I know that I trust my system, I trust myself, and I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna win, right? And that's it. It's as simple as that, my guys. It's as simple as that, right? What else, you know, there's nothing else, man. There's nothing else. The rest will come. The rest will come. So, yeah, you just gotta have faith in yourself. And again, like I said, you have faith in yourself. You trust the process, man. The Ferrari. You'll wake up and the Ferrari will be there, you know. And then you're gonna be preaching no risk, no Ferrari. You get me? Simple as that. Simple as that, my guys. Guys, I'm the guys on YouTube. I'm so sorry that I'm not hurrying up. I'm not hurrying up. But you see this. You see this price action. You see what's going on right now. Yeah. This stuff I see it all the time, right? It's just that, yeah, you just have to accept it. Like, okay, this is not what I'm looking for right now. Because you have to think, yeah. These what's the word? These time frames, they have to be in sync. If they're not in sync,
then man, it's you're giving away money to the markets. Remember, guys, I'm dropping gems right now. You guys are getting gems right now, but I'm happy to share, you know. And like I said, there's more gems like this on the Telegram, on Discord. Well, Discord I just set up, but you know what I mean. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. 1 second, I'm a bit blind right now. Yeah.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion, passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loop. D&D we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect. Perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with
Oh
my
yeah,
life.
just a quick FYI as well. I'm gonna be making sure to go live on TikTok every day from now on. Well, not every day, but I mean, when the markets is open, I'll be active on TikTok. So make sure to stay tuned. London session, New York session, and then Asian session going into London session as well. So, for example, today I'm gonna be staying on live until what time? Until like 8:30 in the morning. Right now we're in London. We're in London, guys. We're in London right now. Oh yeah, FYI, I'm going to the toilet quickly. I'll be right back.
Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion, passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix.
That's it, Cameron. Thank you for the sub. Nice. What's going on? I'll be right back. I'm literally just in the process of changing myself into more comfortable clothes. I just got home from the gym. Well, I mean, I've been home 55. I was saying to myself that if I don't set up the lives, I'm not gonna go live. And the thing is, I want to go live. I want to share my knowledge and values with you guys. You know, I'm sure that I've got a lot of stuff to share with you, so I need to do it. So yeah.
Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills
So as you
every
can
time
see,
I
the
wake
consolidation on gold
up. I can't
is
stop for
legit.
what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect, perfect, perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect, perfect, perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
You know, one thing I find baffling about these scales, yeah, is that, man, when I step on it the first time, it adds 1 kilo, and then I have to, yeah, anyways, okay. Okay guys, today I'm 69 kilos. It's good. It's good,
From the mud ain't pretty. Mentally
You'll laugh at me, but
broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion, passion to
today
disgrace.
I had a
Life
kilo
what you
of
make
beef.
it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loot. D&D we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect, perfect, perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian
Alright, so
roulette
the one
with
I was
my
closing
life.
soon. Let's see how the
So
one
I
I was
make it,
looking.
all I need is perfect, perfect, perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning
So
dust
look
to
at this.
diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So
And look,
doing what I'm saying.
I'm gonna let's see how good I am, yeah. This 1 hour candle is gonna close with no bottom wick. Let's see. Let's see. If it closes with no bottom wick, guys, I want 1 million likes. I'm joking. Give me as many likes as you can. If the 1 hour closes with no bottom wick. If it doesn't close, if it closes with a wick, sorry, then I have to share with you another trading secret that most people they don't tell you.
Thinking about the hills every time I wake
Okay,
up.
1 second.
I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost.
Okay,
Hustle with the
so
goods, baddie showing crew
let's see
love. Palace
how
in
the 1 hour
hills,
is going
gotta
to
turn
close.
this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life.
Okay guys,
So I make
on
it,
YouTube,
all I need
I'm
is
back.
perfect,
I'm back like I
perfect
never left.
timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds.
Yes,
Gotta stay
I'm
strong,
back
stay
like I never
fighting.
left.
Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life.
It's not that cold, I'm
So
feeling
I
very
make
warm.
it, all I need is perfect, perfect,
Just stay like this.
flipping this piece still rising,
I need to be more
turning dust to
presentable.
diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay
It doesn't look
fighting.
nice when my shirt's out like that. I'm gonna tuck this in. So guys, for anyone thinking that this is an energy drink, this is not an energy drink. This is water. I only drink water. I don't drink anything else. You can't see that,
Can't
but
get
this
off
is
my
still
mind,
water.
sipping water, so I'm right.
Anyways,
Edge of the cliff, if I fall, I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken.
okay guys, it didn't close with the bottom wick. That is not good. I have to share with you another secret. Okay, so the next secret about trading. Let's see.
Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect, perfect, perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds.
Oh, okay, very simple. When it comes to The risk management now. When it comes to questioning how much can you risk, it's a very simple answer, right? But people, they don't tell you how much you should risk, you know? Or they tell you, oh, risk 1%, risk 1%. But now, guys, that's not true. If you want to, with trading, it's not about risking 1% or 0.5% or 2%, etc. Guys, it's about when you take a trade, each trade you take, you just have to say to yourself, how much money am I willing to lose? The first thing that you need to think is, how often do I need to trade every day? Right? How many trades do I need to take each day for me to still be able to stay alive in the markets until the end of the week? Right. So you might say, okay, I only need to take 2 trades, or I only need to take 3 trades. Okay, so now you're saying, okay, I need to take 3 trades a day. Okay, now the question is, how much are you willing to lose? Let's say, for example, if your account is at, let's say 2,000, yeah, and you want to take 3 trades a day. That's what, 15 trades a week. So that means, how much am I willing to lose after I've taken 15 trades? And then basically each trade you take, you just have to make sure that it meets the requirements of, okay, the total of the 15 trades if you lose. And then that's it, job done. You know? I hope that was very insightful. I hope that was very insightful. For those of you that's watching, what's going on, man? Like, what's your take on gold currently? Like, how have you been finding trading gold? Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting, soy un caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying, grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars, they won't tell you that it's hard, you don't face it, you'll turn soft, racks the riches with the squad, congratulations, do you really feel the joy, feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, mute the noise, always gotta find a way to get some more, we want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men, we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. So hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love.
What this hourly candle is? The one that just closed Snowflake.
Russian roulette with my life changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Okay, so if we had to break down this candle, right? Let's see. So I'm zooming all the way in. I need to see exactly what the reality is. Okay, so the reality is very simple. We retested the highs, right? We struggled to break, which means that the momentum for being bullish is quite low, right? Then you have to think, okay, what happened at the lows? We didn't retest these areas, right? We only retested this one. That means right now it looks more bearish than bullish, right? Price looks like it wants to come down more than it wants to come up. That's what it looks like. So it's not to say, okay, we need to get in the sells immediately. Because, for example, if you was to get into the sells right? As soon as this candle closed. Yeah, you would have taken, let's say, this closed at 56. Yeah, you would have took like 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips is cool, you know. Like, well, I mean, it's cool for you if you're a scalp or whatever. But I told you, we wanna, man, we no risk, no Ferrari, right? So we wanna get better rewards. So you would wanna wait for price to at least come up, around this area, right? And then say, okay, let's try the sells. You know, it's not to say that you should open sells. I'm just saying that it would be stupid. Not stupid is not the right word, but it wouldn't make sense to enter immediately here. You know, so it's better just to wait. It's better to sit on your hands. You know. Does that make sense? Alright, so guys, for those of you on YouTube, I think I'm gonna call it a day, because oh wait, no, okay, I don't know, let's see, I'll give it 30 minutes and then yeah, I'll call it a day on YouTube. So normally, for those of you on TikTok watching the live, normally when it comes to YouTube and Twitch, it's normally I'm on live until we find the position in the first hour of the 4-hour candle, the 4-hour candle open. And ideally, when there's no position, it just means that, okay, I'm just gonna call it a day, you know. So look, you can see here as well, again, like, it's, yeah, I have to be careful, man. Like, you know, one thing about gold that I don't like it, but it's like you just have to accept it, is that there's lots of fake outs, man. There's lots of fake outs. You have to be careful. You have to try and you have to be able to identify, like, what is it, what does gold do that makes the successful moves, you know. And I can tell you for now, like, just because a candle closes bearish is like not one of them, you know. Yeah, it's mad. It's mad still. Yeah, man, it's true. Unfortunately it's true, and that's why it's funny. I was gonna say that's why I like to trade gold, like, because it's like the thing with gold, yeah, is this, right? I said it when I first decided to, like, I said, okay, from now on I'm just trading gold. I said that the reason why I'm choosing to trade gold is because it will either make you or break you, right? What does that mean? That means that either it will make me trade at my best, or either it will make me trade at my worst. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm in this game to win, so, you know, I have to make sure that I'm trading well. You know, that means sticking to the plan. That means risk management, you know. So, yeah, man, you just have to... Is there... Yeah, it's like... Wait, sorry, I'll answer your question. Great question. I just have to... Like, I'll finish with this point. So, yeah, man, like with gold, you just gotta make sure that you're learning the markets. Yeah, I mean, it's not even just with gold, it's like with any other asset. Like, you just have to make sure that you're watching the markets, staying proactive, and, you know, building your experience, building your XP, you know, becoming the prestige 10, you know, of gold or any other asset that you might want to trade. So, welcome to the live. You don't have a name, but I'm gonna call you Patience because you have the timer on there. So, welcome, Patience. So, how do you get started in trading? Is there a way? There is definitely a way. There is always a way. The big banks have made there to be easy ways for you to get started in trading. The question is, are you willing to commit, and do you want to get involved in trading? That is the question. What do you think? Would you like to get involved in trading? Would you like to get a Ferrari for you and your family? Or maybe like a big huge house or something. Because yeah, trading can definitely make that happen, you know. But yeah, so okay, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, definitely. So the first step to learning about to getting involved in trading is to sign up with the broker, right? And especially like so I'm gonna have you got Patience? Have you got Telegram? Which country you in UK? Yeah, I'm in the UK. I'm in the UK. So if you so here you go. Join this channel, and then I'll send you all of the details about getting started. No way. Let's see. Let me check the channel settings because maybe. That's why. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, search it again. Search the Telegram again, and then let's see. Restrict saving content. Oh look, sorry. There we go. Okay, guys. I'm officially I'm officially public again. Okay, here we go. RoadToTP, yeah. The channel's public, as you can see over here. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And then I'll make sure to add the. And then also, let me add the Discord so that we can have a conversation. I can have a conversation with all of you guys here. One second. Invite. Copy link. Doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying, grinding to go far on this journey. Come with scars, they won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Racks the riches with the squad. Congratulations, do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed. Okay, guys, I sent you. So if you join the Telegram, and then you'll see the most recent messages now that I've put regarding the broker I use, and then not only the broker I use, but also the Discord, so I'll be able to like give proper breakdowns, like, and conversate with you, you know, answer your questions directly, and even maybe perhaps when I'm not live, you know, we can just chat, you know. So yeah. So as you can see, okay, so now the 15-minute candle's closed. Definitely giving some hope, I think. 56, 58, nice, yeah. Did you guys manage to get the Telegram and then the Discord? Yeah, it looks that way, but I'm sitting on my hands, man. I'm sitting on my hands. I know gold. I know gold, but it can do what it wants to do. To be fair, yeah.
Broken hearts stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix.
So yeah, Snowflake, did you manage to find the Telegram now? You should have been able to find it now.
Changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece, still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece, still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying. Grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars. They won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Racks the riches with the squad.
That's it, guys. What's going on? Any new joiners? Welcome to the party. We're in the Asian session right now. The Asian session is going to be finishing in like a couple of hours. I'm currently getting smacked at FIFA, waiting for Price to give us some good news.
I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk.
Okay, that's it. Welcome to the party. And then did you manage to get the Discord as well? Because I think I need to accept you in the Discord. So
perfect timing. Flipping his piece, still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
yeah, I need to. Yeah, download it, man. It'll be nice to talk with you, you know, and then, you know, we'll be able to get you to that level of gold excellence, and then instead of gold robbing us, we can rob gold, you know. That's it.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water, so I'm right.
You know, because it's funny, you know, when you look at the statistics about like trading, right? So it's like we have to make sure that when we're trading, right, what's the basically you want to make sure that you're above the what's the word, you have to kind of identify, okay, these are the people that's failing at trading, okay, what are they doing, and how can I learn from their mistakes so that I don't end up in that bracket, right? Now, you know, you have the obvious ones, which is like, for example, over risking, over trading, impulsive entries, right? Yeah, so you have to make sure that you basically don't do that, and then you're kind of scaling your way and getting into I guess you could say like the 10% now, you know. And then you have to figure out, okay, what's the mistakes that the 10% is making, and then you work your way, you know. Pardon me, yeah, ideally you want to categorize all of these types of people, these types of traders, you know, so that then you're able to have an idea and know what you should do for yourself.
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
How long have you been trading for, Snowflake? This guy said itchy fingers. Yo, hey, that's funny. Oh man, hey, don't kill me. Itchy fingers, yo. You know how many times? Hey, listen, the itchy fingers, it can happen, man. The itchy finger. You see what you gotta do with the itchy fingers? It's the demo account. You gotta just open the demo account and just full margin the demo account. That's how you get over the itchy fingers. Listen, let me tell you a joke about the demo account. Yeah, I mean, I find it funny. Imagine the demo account, bro. Like, I was full margining the account. And then what happened is that it got to a point where it went to like, man, basically I blew the account, but I didn't just blow the account like it went to zero. I blew the account and it went to like minus 12 million or something. Yeah, it's mad. It's mad. But what can I say, bro? Like, yeah, the itchy fingers, it happens. It happens. No, but listen, even myself, like, I jumped straight into the deep end. Like, there's nothing wrong with jumping straight into the deep end. Like, some people would disagree. Like, for example, my best friend Lorenzo, he would disagree that, like, yeah, you should use a demo account. But like, I don't know, man. Like, my personal experience, why I haven't used a demo account for like a long time is because I know it's not real money. You know, like, I don't have any attachment to this. You get me? So that's why I never really connected with the demo account. But with my personal account now, I did. And you want me to tell you what the trick is? If you want to learn how to trade, right? It's not about, okay, I need to put like 1k, 10k, 100k, £1 million into the trading account, and then like I'm gonna learn how to trade, you know, or I'm gonna become a successful trader. It's, you know, like I told you at the beginning of the stream, right? To become successful in trading, you have to forget about the money. The money, it doesn't matter, right? Like, you just have to make sure that you've identified your strategy, you know what you're looking for, and then you take it. Simple as that. For example, I'm trying to think. Let's say there's a pair of shoes that you like, right? Now the objective, the take profit is the shoes, yeah, and the stop loss is basically, maybe not the stop loss, but your money at risk, right, is obviously anything that concludes you not getting the shoes, yeah. So what does that mean? That means that now when you're going out and looking for these shoes, right, it means that you have to take you have to get those exact shoes. Yeah, if you don't get those exact shoes, you're not hit. That means that your take profit is not hit, but you've lost the trade, right? Break even basically means that you didn't spend the money and you couldn't find the shoes, you know, which is not a bad thing. It's a good, it's actually a good thing. Anyways, so yeah, I hope. By the way, tell me when you're getting confused or if I'm not explaining myself clearly. But yeah, you have to basically how it works is you need to learn the markets. Yeah, you need to so back to what I was saying, because I forgot what I was talking about in a way. It's like having no shoelaces. Exactly. So okay, I think you're getting my point now. So basically what you want to do is, if you don't get the shoes for what it is, right, then it's like, okay, that means if you take something that's not exactly how you want it to be, that means you didn't know what you wanted in the first place, or you know what you wanted but you lied to yourself. Does that make sense? So it's the same thing with your strategy, right? The strategy is simple. You know exactly what you're looking for. You know exactly how the price is supposed to react, yeah, or how the price should move. If it doesn't move that way, then that means it's not the trade, it's not the right trade, right? So what do? This means that now you say, okay, you know what, I'm gonna close the position here, or you know, whether it's in profits, whether it's in a loss, you say, okay, because price is not doing what I think it's supposed to be doing, I'm gonna close the position. So doing that, you start to learn that, okay, I know what I want now, I know what I'm looking for now when I'm trading gold, yeah, or any other assets, you know. So what does this mean now? This means that it's okay to jump straight into the deep end. There's nothing wrong with it, but you need to be taught the right way, right? What's the right way now? The right way is, in trading, you need to forget about the money. Yes, nice. This is my guy Anthony. You know, he just commented. He just said long. Yeah, my guy. We're waiting for that big break. When to close my sell order? When to close my sell? That's it, man. Well done. Shout out One Love in the building. No volume, I know, man. I know. The 30-minute candle is going to be closing soon. The reality of this. So, Anthony, welcome to the stream. I just want to say that, look, I think we're in a tough time right now with gold, right? We've been consolidating for days, yeah. So again, I'm just gonna show this because I think this is very important for people to understand that whatever range we're trading right now, we need to wait for the breakout. Yeah, I'm waiting for the breakout. I don't know what your strategy is, but I'm waiting for the breakout. Right? We are consolidating. Okay, does this make sense? We are consolidating. So we look at the. Oh yeah, I can't do that. Look, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now we're coming into Thursday. Doesn't count, yeah, but here we go. Look, these. So again, we have to wait. But it sounds silly, but I prefer to short the highs and buy the lows. But in this scenario, like, I don't have to be worried about like trying to buy the market where we're currently at right now. You know, you can see here that if you look at the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour is doing something sketchy, yeah. It's like it's kind of like this, you know. So I wouldn't be surprised if price decides to just push up, you know. But anyways, I'm waiting. My hands is currently on my PlayStation controller, just waiting. You know. By the way, if you haven't joined the Discord that I just set up, man, what are you doing? Get inside right now so that we can talk, you know, whether it's about psychology, whether it's about trading itself, like analysis, you know, join away. So I would recommend to first join the Telegram, and then after the Telegram I would join the Discord, because I've already made the links available in the chat right now. Zahid, I'm so sorry that I can't join your live right now. But yeah, like, let's see. So Anthony's currently on YouTube. He's just said that there is no value right now. Asian session normally does the move on the open, and depending on the previous session, the liquidity, you may or may not have a move. We're absolutely consolidating, but that's because we don't have any volume, so we have to wait till the move shows that it's hand. Okay, true, could be true. I don't know if, like, okay, I'm gonna ask you a question and then I'll be able to know how to answer what you've just said. Yeah, what's like what's your risk reward? Risk reward, it doesn't help. Which time frames do you trade? Yeah, that's probably a better question. So if you search Telegram, and if you just search this RoadToTP, yeah, RoadToTP there, that's the link. And then once you join, you'll find in the chat the Discord. And then, well, I mean, yeah, if you want to, I don't know if you said you don't have Discord or something. I'm checking now, 1 second. Yeah. Welcome, Rachel. My auntie was called Rachel. Auntie Rachel. Yeah. Alright, so the 30-minute candle closed. Let's see. Yeah, look at this, guys. You can see the reality of the 30-minute. The 30-minute. All okay. So basically, my issue with the London session and so my issue with these what do you call it, with this session, moving on to the moving on to the London session, yeah, is that there's too much of this. There's too many wicks. We need some intimacy, you know. Right now we're too exposed in these areas, and I think we can definitely push down to these areas, but yeah, I'm just, to be honest with you, man, like, for me, I'm just waiting. It's just a question of when are we gonna get the move, you know. But yeah, Yeah, the London session. It's gonna be interesting for me. Like I said, I'm waiting to see how price. I think the next area of interest. I mean, it'll be interesting to see how, but yeah, I would like to see gold push up before it pushes down, or if it just wants to, pardon me, push down in general, you know. But the daily has spoken. The daily has spoken enough, you know. The daily has definitely spoken enough. By the way, Patience, did you manage to get the telegram? Okay. I'm in my second game of FIFA right now. And it's not going well. Grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars. They won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Cracks the riches with the squad. Congratulations. Do you really feel yes. Hey man, Anthony, you're speaking some facts right now. I think we need you in the Discord, man. We need you in the Discord. We need you in the Discord. Yo, it's true, man. So, if you guys are not aware, like, I've been. I made the series called Starting from the Bottom, right? And what happened is that before, when I first started from the bottom, I was trading Nasdaq, I was trading gold, and I was trading GJ. GJ is British pounds against the Japanese yen. Yeah. What happened is that I decided, okay, you know what, guys? If you look at my history, my trade history, you would see that, okay, hey, this guy, he's only trading gold. He's not even trading GJ. He's not even trading Nasdaq. So, I said to myself, okay, I'm gonna trade gold, and I think this makes sense. Why does this make sense? Because, like I told you before, trading gold is crazy. Like, you have to look. Anthony just said it now. You know, like, you have to be. Look, the psychology and the patience is definitely intense. You know, it's not if you're not built strong, like, it's definitely intense. You know, and ideally, the trick is trading gold. It's like it will either make you or break you, right? It will either make you trade good, or it will either make you trade bad. And like I told you, I mean, if you're in this game, you're in it to win. You're not in it to lose. So you have to make sure that you're playing at your best. You know, from all aspects. Okay. I just gave the penalty away. That's okay. So yeah, there's that. There's that. Congratulations. Fouling me, man. Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, make the noise. Always gotta find a way. But yeah, guys, sometimes trading gold, this is how it is, man. You have to be patient. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions, cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men, we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. You know, but like I always say, once you identify what the bad things are and you know what the good things are, you'll never. There's no excuse for you not to be good at what you do. You know.
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay
So it's like
playing with
time
my feelings,
to
Russian roulette with my life.
time to be great.
Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing.
Whoa!
Flipping his
I
piece
got
still
a
rising, turning dust to
I got a red
diamonds.
card,
Gotta
guys.
stay strong, stay
Something happened.
fighting.
Okay, appeal.
Can't get her off my mind, sipping water so I'm right.
Actually,
Edge
yeah,
of the cliffs, if I fall, I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken hearts stay broken,
so-
but the mind that stay woken.
Okay,
Showing
I
lots
think-
of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it.
Okay, no, I'm still on the red card. I used to sit and trade the agent session, but sometimes it's hard to catch. The volume sucks. Yeah, you're not wrong. You know, I mean, my best friend Lorenzo, he's always telling me this. You know, but for me, so I'll tell you a bit of history about myself. So currently, I'm a bit occupied and I'm unable to trade the New York session. You know, and yeah, it sucks a lot. I can only trade the New York session when I'm at home and I'm not working. But you know, like I've got enough market experience with the Asian session to know that okay, there's going to be moments where there's volume and there's going to be moments where there's no volume, and it's like you just have to accept it, man. So I mentioned it in the challenge video yesterday, like I just have to, it's the risk I have to take, you know, no risk, no Ferrari, you know, when it comes to like staying up and watching the Asian session candles, you know. I think even for the challenge I did actually catch a nice trade as well. Yeah, in the Asian session, like this was at like 1:30, 2 o'clock. Man, I was holding the position until probably like 5:30. Yeah, maybe 5:30 or something. Oh. Yeah, but anyways, you know. I'm getting whooped at FIFA, man. It's bad. Guys, show some love, man. Give me some support right now. I'm getting smoked. It's bad. It's 8-0 right now on the Ultimate Team. It's not looking good. I just need to score 1 goal and I've won. Because the objective is for me to score.
Edge of the cliff, if I fall, I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken hearts stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP
Okay,
on the way to
so the 15-minute look at this.
R&B, 'cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying. Grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars. They won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Racks to riches with the squad. Congratulations,
There we go, Mbappe. Guys, if you guys play FC26, it's madness. It's madness. My team's worth like 7.5 million probably. Yeah. And I built it from scratch as well. I built my team from scratch.
I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love.
Appeal not approved. Oh my god. I am still on the I've been red carded. Oh my days. This is not good. This is not good, guys. I've been red carded. But we're still active though. What's going on, guys? Alright, so YouTube, we're gonna call it a day because yeah, it's tough out here, man. But Anthony, thank you so much for showing some love. You know, welcome. We hope to see you again, whether it's in the Telegram, whether it's in the Discord. But yes, for now on YouTube and Twitch. Yes. See you in the New York session. Yes, see you in the New York session. I should be live at 3 o'clock. 3 p.m. GMT. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
RoadToTP on the way to the loop. DMV, we cooking R&B.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness. Telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces. Same squad, different races. Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness. Telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces. Same squad, different races. 765 or Lambo Cian. Dreams turn real, how we be in. For a long time been chasing, we ranging. Can't fall to break out. Girls outside want make out. Can't give the time, don't chase cloud. Can't give them love, must earn it. Double the bags, you know we won't quit. Won't quit. Most of these hoes be toxic. They on the way, been watching. Liking the way we plotting. Feeling the vibes, so my mate. Music engraved, been through the phase. Singing our songs, they know the phrase. With passion, we rapping. With passion, we trapping. Dreams on dreams, we go big on big. Wanting it all, wonderful thing, it's what we like. All the time. Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness. Telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces. Same squad, different races. Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance.